Y'all heard the music. Let's get into it. So this is not just going to be Candle News Network. This is going to be a home fragrance haul as well. So they're doing $3.95 hand soaps. If y'all want to know what hand soaps to get, go check out my friend Shopping with Kimberly and Santos. They did this huge Bath and Body Works haul, and they have a lot of soaps that they got at the last soap sale, so they definitely will put you on the right track. But let's get into the haul.
Guys, it's me, Tina Marie, with True Meaning of Radiance. A lot of y'all were curious about, girl, what you buy at the Target? Honestly, it was a lot of cleaning supplies and stuff. So I figured I'd do something a little bit different. It's 5 o'clock in the morning, the kids sleep. I just actually pulled the stuff out the car, okay? That's why I got my PJ top on and just some sweats. But I wanted to show you guys actually what I picked up. Sorry if the lighting's not perfect because of where I'm at. But yeah, let's get started. The first thing I picked up was Dawn Platinum. Yes, I swear by Dawn. My mom loves Dawn. It's one of those things, just like Tide. You know what I mean? You always have to get it for your house. So I went ahead and picked that up. So that's the first thing. The next thing, this is actually for Justin. This is an unscented, sulfate-free, paraben-free, fragrance-free, sensitive facial cleanser. Because he usually doesn't need a lot of perfumey scents and stuff like that on his face. You have to be very careful because he has eczema. So I went ahead and got this for him to try. I did pick up this big thing, a paper towel. I took one out already because I'm about to use it and clean up the kitchen. So the kitchen will be the way it needs to be so I can finish my cooking for the morning. I have this bag right here. I'm gonna thumbnail that. I'm gonna thumbnail. Okay. I bought some new Power Mop pads for my Swiffer Power Mop. When I tell you the Swiffer Power Mop, this thing is good. This thing is life. I bought it like a month ago when I got the Watermelon Fabuloso. Y'all, this is a dangerous thing. I absolutely love the Swiffer Power Mop. So should you get it, I recommend it. Like, seriously, it's really good. And I had to get my refill. You didn't have to get the refill. We've been putting Fabuloso in ours, but I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and get the refill 2-pack. It's $9.99, and this is in Fresh. That's the scent, Fresh. So I got the 2-pack to go with the Power Mop. The next thing I got, this is a necessary item. You need this. Like, you need this. You need this item. This is Scentiva. This is Pacific Breeze and Coconut. It looks just like that. So yeah, I went ahead and got that one. Another thing I got for my, what is it? I have a diffuser or something like that, or essential oil. You know, the thing that brings out the smell and stuff like that, whatever that's called. But I went ahead and got the Peppermint Pure Essential Oil for it because it has to use an oil. So I got this one because I've been putting Fabuloso in there. You ain't supposed to be doing that, but I was doing that. But I went ahead and got the oil that's supposed to go in there. So I'm gonna clean it out and then just put the oil in it that's supposed to go. I did buy something because of, who was it? Who was this? Plug by Amber. Plug by Amber. I got the Nourish and Body Oil. Girl, you're gonna get me in trouble. I need this. It's Restore and Nourish. The packaging is super cute. It was on sale for like 10% off or something like that. So yeah, this is cute though. Y'all like that? I like that, yeah. I like that. It's 5 o'clock in the morning and I got this energy. I like that, yeah. But yeah, I really do like that thumbnail. I do like that. So I got that. This, oh my God, game changing. Febreze Air Mist Summer Berry Picking. Yes, I'm about to, like this thing. Berries on berries on berries on berries, okay? Instead of bodies on bodies on bodies, berries on berries on berries, okay? This thing is good. I really do like the Summer Berry Picking. They had the watermelon too. I didn't get that one. I just got this one. And I'm loving it. So, I got that. And the last thing I got at Walmart, I just got this little Dirt Devil because I needed something to clean the stairs. better. And my Dyson broke. And if y'all didn't know, Dysons are very expensive. And I'm not buying another Dyson right now. But my Dyson, it just stopped charging. It stopped working. I need to probably just take it to a repair shop. Do they got a repair shop for Dyson? Let me know. But yeah, I just was like, I ain't getting another Dyson. So I went ahead and picked up this Dirt Devil just to get the stairs the way they need to be. So that's it. I hope you guys have a great morning. I just wanted to bring y'all, what I got because people was asking, girl, what you pick up?
Hope you guys enjoyed the little haul of cleaning supplies. If y'all want clean with me videos, stuff like that, let me know. Because I don't know what it is. Maybe because, it's about to be spring. I am really feeling like decluttering my whole life. And on top of decluttering my life, just decluttering, my mind as well. So I wanted to get into the final thoughts because this is my favorite part of Candle News Network. I know this is later in the day, but this is something you can take with your day. If something is not of use to you, you need to let it go. If something is not bringing value, joy, happiness to your life, you need to let it go. I'm not saying that you have to benefit from people and things for them to be around, but if things is causing chaos and frustration, it's time to let those things go. Okay. If things is causing confusion, it's causing you to lie, it's causing you not to be truly who you are, you need to let those things go. Okay. You need to do it and you need to get your mind right. So for spring, with spring cleaning and declutter your mind. Declutter your mind, start over. I know a lot of things, a lot of mistakes a lot of us have made. Even me. As you guys can see me in this video, my health has turned and it went bad. Okay, over the past few months, especially since a lot's been happening with my kids, but I can't use my kids as an excuse. I just went into a hole and I went into a depression. And now it's about to be spring and I'm ready to declutter my mind and get back on the right track and say, hey, Tina, you need to remember you are important as well. Can't just throw yourself in your kids and forget about you. So I'm about to declutter my mind and, remember me and get all them bad thoughts and negative things out of my mind and make sure I'm together so they could be together. So I don't know who needed to hear that today, but you are enough. You will be enough. And it's time to declutter. It's time to declutter your mouth. It's time to declutter your space. It's time to declutter your head. It's just time to declutter, start over anew, start refreshing, breathe life into your situation. Stop talking down about yourself and your situation. It's just time to breathe life. It's time to have some water, put some water on yourself, okay? Water yourself, grow. So that's all I got for you guys today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, rate, comment, subscribe, and DJ, you know what to do. Play my music.